Antonoy Morse. I'm from Singapore, and I'm here in Ganzi, Sichuan Province, to get a sense of how the local Tibetans live and learn from them how to hunt or find mushrooms and truffles.
Oh, hey, 你好，我叫 Anthony. Nice to meet you.
我叫gerongzhuom，我是四川甘孜稻城亚丁这边的村民。就是爸妈要上山挖松茸去，我就叫我爸给我拍了一个短视频，然后呢，无意间就点击率特别的高，下面的评论也好，私信也好，全部都是找我买松茸啊、虫草这些的。这是毒菌，吃下去。
Oh, really? So it's a poisonous mushroom. Okay.
这个是牛肝菌，这样炒菜很好吃的。
Oh, this one you can't eat.
非常好吃。
Okay. Well, we've been walking on this mountainside for the past hour, and we're getting some rain, and the terrain is quite slippery, and I have no idea when we're going to find these truffles. No? None? Nothing? Oh, man.
哇，哎，这有一个
Really?
松茸
Found one?
啊，快点快点，
This isn't a false alarm, right?
真的，过来过来过来，
Oh, wow.
能。
Oh, mwah. I thought we would never see the day when we find this mushroom.
这个松茸的话呢，咱们两个回去煎着吃去，走。
That sounds wonderful. Let's do it. Okay. Oh man. All right, I'm just gonna go for it. How about this one?
我现在在这个村里面办了一个合作社，就是把当地村民采挖下来的松茸呢，我帮他们把它销出去。我现在的话呢，在平台上销的每天的量都是100多单啊，200多单，我现在都卖了1吨多了，就是货有点供不应求。
Mushrooms! Come give us your mushrooms! You, come on over! Oh, they're really coming, huh?
有的人特别的高兴，我每次去到乡下给他们拿松茸的时候呢，他们就说：“哎，网红来了，网红来了，咱们赶紧去他那边，全部都跑来我这
That
边
doesn't
了。”
look good. It looks like good. Not so good? Okay, okay. Yeah, this is the size we want. Look at this. What is going on here? Huh? Does this look like the same size? No, no.
She actually wasn't happy with the quality of mushrooms that we bought, but she felt a duty and obligation to still pay the local villagers for what they brought in.
Oh, you're too nice. If it were me, I'd be like, no, I don't want that.
One of the qualities I noticed about her is that she's a bridge builder. She's building bridges between her local Tibetan culture as well as the majority Han culture. I mean, through her live streaming, she's also building bridges between the old generation and this newer generation. And she is a vital link to bridging these two worlds.
有很多人都跟我说：“哎，卓玛，你一个大网红，怎么刮风下雨的，你还上来挖松茸呢？”他们说你直播一下都可以赚几千块钱。我就跟他们说，我也是挖这个松茸虫草长大的，所以呢，我特别的喜欢。不管以后有多少钱也好，我都会在这边继续住下去，继续去挖自己的松茸跟的虫草。